Worst fear is the suffering of other people. That's hard to cope with, probably even more than your own suffering.
As the plume rose beyond 20 kilometers, it reached well into the stratosphere. So a lot of that ash and gas will remain within the stratosphere for quite a number of weeks and possibly months, and kind of circulate across the globe.
Latest information I have is that 60% of the runway has been cleared, and this is done manually. I hear up to 200 volunteers are sweeping the runway.